Jamaica will have to wait until next month for the commencement of the second largest gang trial in the Caribbean.
Justice Dale Palmer ruled this morning that the trial of Tesha Miller and his 24 co-accused, including medical doctor Paul Robinson, is to begin on February 2 in the Home Circuit Court.
More in this report from Hal Shaneberg.
The trial, which was initially scheduled to begin last Wednesday, was pushed back after the prosecution admitted that it was not trial ready because of outstanding reports and had asked for an adjournment until June. The court was also informed that reference DNA samples from at least one witness were taken only last week, while samples from 4 of the accused are still outstanding. In granting the 3 weeks adjournment, Justice Palmer said the primary reason is for defense counsel to take adequate instructions from their clients. Last week, the attorneys complained that they had difficulties taking proper instructions from their client because they were barred from entering institutions with electronic devices. However, Commissioner of Corrections Brigadier Raj Mason rejected the complaints, but assured the court that notices will be posted to ensure attorneys are allowed access to consult with their clients. Noting that he's eager to have the trial started, Justice Palmer said prosecution is to disclose additional documents electronically to the defense by January 14. The defendants, except Dr. Robinson, were further remanded. Prosecutors alleged the accused are members of the Klansman gang and were involved in multiple crimes across St. Catherine between 2017 and 2022. The charges include murder, conspiracy to murder, attempted murder, robbery with aggravation, and illegal possession of firearms and ammunition. The case involves 16 separate incidents and up to 99 potential witnesses.
Hal Shaneberg, TVJ News.